Hey, Math Stars! Welcome to today's fun math adventure, where we're going to learn all about odd and even numbers. It's going to be awesome, so let's get started. First, let's talk about even numbers. Even numbers are super cool because they can be split into two equal parts. Check this out. 2 apples, 4 balloons, 6 stars. Even numbers always come in pairs. See how each of these numbers can be split into two equal groups? That's what makes them even. Let's try a few more. Can you help me figure out if these numbers are even? Let's start with 12. Can you split 12 into two equal groups? Yes, 12 can be split into two equal groups, so 12 is an even number. Let's try 14 inches. Can you split 14 into two equal groups? Yes, 14 can be split into two equal groups, so 14 is an even number. Let's try 16. Can you split 16 into two equal groups? Yes, 16 can be split into two equal groups. Now, let's talk about odd numbers. Odd numbers are different from even numbers. They can't be split into two equal parts. Look at these 3 pineapples. One of them is left out, so it's odd. Same with 5 strawberries or 7 banana. There's always one left behind. See? Odd numbers always have one left over. That's what makes them odd. Now, let's try some odd numbers. How about 11? Can we split 11 into two equal groups? Right. 11 is odd because there's always one left over. Let's try 13 and 15. Can we split 13 into two equal groups? Right. 13 is odd because there's always one left over. Now, let's try 15. Can we split it into two equal groups? Right. 15 is odd because there's always one left over. Did you know there's a pattern to odd and even numbers? Let's look at this number line. Can you see the pattern? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They take turns. Let's play a quick game. I'll show you a number and you tell me if it's odd or even. Ready? What about 8? Is 8 odd or even? That's right. 8 is even because it can be split into two equal groups. What about 9? Yes, 9 is odd because there's always one left over. Let's do a few more. What about 10? That's right. 10 is even because it can be split into two equal groups. What about 11? Yes, 11 is odd because there's always one left over. Awesome job, everyone. Today we learned all about odd and even numbers. Even numbers can be split into pairs, and odd numbers always have one left over. You nailed it. Let's take a final look. Remember this pattern, and you'll be an odd and even expert in no time. Keep practicing, and you'll be spotting odd and even numbers everywhere. Thanks for hanging out with me today, Math Stars. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy math videos. See you next time.